Hey guys, AK Rex here, and I've just received this today, and I've been saving up on one of these beauties for ages, so decided to quickly do like an unboxing video. I've never done an unboxing video before, so apologize if it doesn't quite come out as great as you would hope, but I'm gonna try my best to make sure that you can see like stuff that's here. So basically we take the knife, we do the usual stuff and just going to open this up. Lovely jubbly. Here we go. So, and the box should pop open right now. Like so. Now, we'll put the knife aside. We'll get all the bubble wrap, and as you can see, there's lots of stuff. Some absolutely awesome stuff. So I'm not gonna show this, there's no need for that. So I'm just gonna get rid of the bubble wrap just so you can see what's in there. Now, what do you reckon is this? Well, I know exactly what that is, and that is this little awesome new thing right here. It's recently come out, so let's open this up just to see what it contains. And we'll reveal it in a second. I've never seen one of them up front, so this will be really awesome to take a closer look at it and see what it does. It's got its own packaging, as you can see, the genuine Forgeworld one, which is awesome. Now let's put that aside and let's open this up. So we've got this lovely set of parts right here. And they probably just contain the weapons. You can see like some of these lovely things. The detail is really nice. I don't see any problems. Forgeworld as always has been absolutely amazing at this. And it's absolutely beautiful kit. It's got all these nice smooth parts here. Everything is just gorgeous. So let's look inside more. So there's obviously the main parts here. That's just the same as the regular Sicaran, but generally speaking, we should get something like this once it's built and painted, except that this one here, as you can see, is the Blood Angels version, but I will be building and painting the Alpha Legion version, because I am an Alpha Legion. So there is that. And now, I presume there's really nothing more to show. I mean, there's obviously this little thing here, so just like a sort of, note from Forgeworld. And probably like a certificate of some sort. Maybe it's just some, it's good, some tools and tips and stuff. So that's always good. So lovely jubbly stuff here. We'll put that aside for now, and we'll also take this one. That's the plasma cannons to fill up my plasma cannon squad that I'm building right now. And when they are fully built, they will be. They'll basically be like this guy right here. So that's what he will look like when he's finished, more or less, give or take. So I've got 5 of them, so now I need 5 more, and that will make the squad of 10. That's exactly why I got it. It's just, that was the part of the plan. Now, to get to the juicy parts of the whole thing, well, there's quite a big bag of stuff right here. You see this? Yeah. Awesome. Now, here's the reason why it's awesome. Now, you see, the thing is, and you probably be best to see here is if I give you that, just so you understand what we're building. It's this little beauty right here. It's called Falchion. It's a super heavy tank, and I've been wanting to get one of them for absolutely ages, and they are just insane. I've got a glaive already, which is something I'm absolutely enjoying. I have a video of a glaive somewhere, maybe a couple of them, so I'll put the links. They're old videos, mind you, so I may have to do a newer video on a glaive and other stuff as well. However, this beauty here, well, it's got the basic plastic Baneblade skeleton, so to speak. So we'll never mind that. But what you want to look at, really, is the other part, which is all the resin parts. So we have all these that go at the back, which is really nice, I think. Some of them, I think they are at the back. Yeah, well, there's a mix of them. Some of them go at the back, some of them go like on the wheels and the tracks and stuff like that, like something like here, for example. So you've got more body parts and tracks right here. Then we've got some more extra equipment parts, just detailing and just generally to finish up the kit, which is good. Now, what else do we have? We have the body right here, like so. You see? Lovely. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's got some nice detail in here, and when it gets all fully finished and built, it will just look absolutely insane. Now, next part to look at will be, obviously, we've got one of them sides. In fact, it's this way. So, awesome, very good. Nice job in casting and everything, so that's all awesome. Now, same thing on the side here. Very good. And of course, as a final thing, one of the things we want to see from this kit, as a main thing as well, is the weapons. The main weapon. It will basically be a twin-linked volcano cannon, like so. So these parts here, once obviously I get rid of this, they will come together here, and that will basically connect it all up together. So absolutely stunning. I'm really happy that I've managed to finally get my hands on this mega awesome kit. I've been, like I said, I've been saving up for it for a while. This will be something that I will just make lots of videos and maybe just photographs on once I build it and paint it. And I will put it together next to my glaive as well, so that we can obviously have a nice, you know, kind of diorama shot with the two mega awesome super heavy tanks. In any case, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and I've been AKRex. Thanks very much, and take care. Stay tuned for the next video when I start, probably, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing the video on putting it together. Maybe I will do a brief one, but the main one I want to do is definitely painting it, because this is gonna be a very amazing and awesome project to engage in. So stay tuned for that, definitely. Until then, thanks for watching, and hit the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Take care, bye bye now.